Hola, hola. Feliz Día del Oeste. Bueno, Western Day. Use your star and prepositions notes page and correct these homework answers. So there's something wrong in all of them. I can tell you right from the get-go, they are all missing a form of a star. So you need that. And some of them have other things wrong. Well, all of them have something else wrong with them too. So you need the form of a star and then find the other error or errors. Our Afro-Latino del Día is This artista de Cuba se llama La Dame Blanche y la canción se llama Yo Quiero Trabajar. I want to work. Bueno, then we're going to play a bluket, so you can go, you can click on that and go watch that little video too. It's pretty cute. It's a song that like kids in Spain would watch and listen to if they were learning their prepositions. And then questions about the homework, make sure that you get in touch with me. We're going to have some quick conversations with our partners. So ask yourself, ¿dónde está la señora Wolf? And then answer in a complete sentence. Señora Wolf está delante de la clase. So go through, use those sentence stems to try and to get you started, and then be original. Don't just say like in the class, in the class, in the class. Like be original. Use something that you have from your notes page. Gosh, I don't know why it's doing that. Okay, and then after, we're going to have describe somebody on here. Describe something like está detrás de la sofa. Well, the only one that's behind the sofa, there are two. It's either número 5 or número 6. So go through and do that. And then we are going to play a little seating chart game thing. So you and your partner are going to read these sentences explaining where people go, and then you're going to use a little tabs or whatever these are with the people's names and put them where it goes. You have to be not careful, but you have to really like pay attention and figure it out, because it seems easy at first and then it gets kind of tricky when you have to double check that things are where they belong. After that, we are going to be talking about our writing project. So this is the Unit 4 writing project. The objective is that you need to write 5 Spanish sentences saying where different items are located, including pictures or GIFs, if you want to use those, school appropriate. And here is the challenge. They all have to be connected. You can't just write 5 random sentences. So I have a few examples and a few ideas. One could be a thematic idea. So pick a theme and go with it. For example, Barbie the Explorer. Maybe you take pictures of a Barbie, like she is next to the tree, and you go outside or something like that. Or maybe you use your own pet. Oh my gosh, I would love that. But if you use your pet and have your pet sit in different places and describe them. Another activity is step by step, just like that homework from last night where it told you to put this here, put that there. So you could do something like that. Or another one is scavenger hunt, giving clues, and you have to find a way to reveal them as you go. So let me show you some examples. So first, this is a rubric. Follow the green if you want to get 100%, and this is a guarantee. If you do all of that, you are guaranteed 100%. So follow that. It'll make your life a lot easier if you want to make sure that you can get that summative grade that you deserve. So here's an example of a thematic one. So Juanito está cerca de la playa. I didn't know how to say the beach, so I had to look it up. And so to let your teacher know that you did not use a translator for the whole thing, let me know in the slide what you looked up, right? Juanito está lejos de Michigan. Here's an example of a step-by-step. By the way, all of these are very simplified. The real ones would absolutely have more details, more sentences, obviously. All right, here's a step-by-step. So the instructions say drag and drop the items in order on the table. So you would have little pictures of items, and then you would have your sentences saying where to put them. So the backpack is between and nobody knew this one, so I put it in red, and then I didn't put it on here, but I would put it at the bottom. The grapadora is a stapler, y el cuaderno. So then I would grab that and put it in between the two, etcétera, etcétera. So notice that I highlighted the words that I didn't know. And then last one is a clues or scavenger hunt. So help Basho find his mochila. If you watch that video, you'll see who he is. And I have a picture of a map. I have where the person is starting. So I'm going to say, la mochila está lejos de la escuela. So here's the school. And it says that it is far from the school. So I'm going to have to follow these instructions. And again, I gave my things that I looked up. Now, reminder, do not use a translator. Human beings are translators. You can only use an online dictionary. If you click that, you'll get there. Only look up 3 to 5 new words. If you need more than that, then you need to be more creative. Go through these. This will give you a little bit of, if you're feeling lost, what to do. And then this is the speaking midterm. Prepare for that. That's going to be Wednesday. And then here's the midterm review. So that's going to